Welcome back, Vegan Cookies Good, reviewing all things tools and sweets. Let's jump into it. Today we have the Doyle's 8-inch heavy-duty long-nose pliers. Hot riveted, pretty tight out of the box. I'm hoping that'll loosen up over time. The grips, classic crosshatch design. Not too aggressive though, very shallow. The classic plastic handle dips provide some comfort in the hands. Feels pretty nice. But how well do they cut? Let's find out. Let's start with the zip tie. Plastique. One more time. Maybe some 10 stranded. Ooh, that took a little effort. Try it again. Yeah, you can definitely feel the snap in that. How about a little bit of fencing wire, 17 gauge, steel. No problems there. How about going a little more aggressive? Here we have some Indoor 14-2. I don't know if that'll cut it. Let's find out. Ooh, it did. Fairly clean. Let's try it one more time. You can definitely feel the snap in your hands. Doing this all day with this particular pair of pliers is going to hurt you. How about something a little beefier? Indoor 12-2. Oh, how about two hands? Nope. Not easily, anyway. No, it didn't bite through it. How about the tip of the nose themselves? Let's see if we can scroll over with some solid wire. Not bad. Could be worse. Doyle long nose pliers can be found online or at select big box stores. Now that we've taken a look at the pliers themselves, let's get down to real business. That's right, mega stuff, Oreos. This is 3 times the amount of the regular Oreos, but I think what's found interesting here, servings 2 cookies. That's the same amount of cookies servings for the double stuff Oreo. Let's take a look. Wow. Let's go ahead and try the cookie grabbing test. No problem. Can we pick it up from the side? No problems there. To give a little bit of a fair comparison, let's take a look at the other cookies that we've seen in the past. Here was obviously the mega stuff. Here's the double stuffed, and the classic. Which Oreo is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how well we can tackle the cookie itself. Can it cut? Ooh, it's a little thick and likes to smash the cookie more than cut it. Let's try it again from the side. Not so good at cutting, and we have a cookie mess on the pliers. As always, thank you for watching, and remember, vegan cookies are good.